The small village of San Giorgio Ingannapoltron, in the municipality of Sant'Ambrogio di Valpolicella, includes, among ancient houses, one of the most special monuments of the whole Valpolicella and of the Romanesque art, the parish church of San Giorgio, with its bell tower and precious side cloister. The church stands on the ruins of the pre-existing pagan temple erected by the Arusnati, mysterious people who lived in the valleys. Probably, the construction of the building dates back to 712 AD, at the time of the Lombard king Liutprando and the bishop Domenico, as evidenced by the inscriptions engraved on the front columns placed on the altar. The peculiarity that catches one's eye is that the church has two apsed sides, that is to say, it has no facade. The apses are three to the east and one to the west, which suggests that the eastern portion was built successively around the 12th century. Tradition has it that even the great poet Dante Alighieri, during his stay in Verona, would come to this place to meditate about his purgatory and paradise, getting carried away by the mystical silence found in this parish. The bell tower connected to the south wall of the church is made of stone blocks of Prune, a small village, and has mullioned windows with 2 and 3 lights. On its top, without cusp, a stone pine can be seen. At the foot of the bell tower stands the square cloister adorned on 3 sides by columns surmounted by capitals carved with animal or plant forms. At the center of the courtyard there is an ancient well. On one side of the cloister there is a wide room called the collegiate, which housed the priests who lived together with the pastor. Inside you can find the remains of frescoes with symbols recalling the famous military and religious order of the Templars. The parish has also a small museum, which preserves numerous prehistoric findings and tools used for the extraction and working of marble and stone. The parish church of San Giorgio Ingannapoltron will offer the right solution to those who want to combine the historic and prehistoric interest with a romantic view of the Valpolicella.